Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to delete multiple links from your browsing history on Google Chrome, especially with the latest update. If you find yourself overwhelmed with numerous links and want to tidy up your history, follow these simple steps. First, open your Chrome browser. This is where all the magic begins. You can either double-click on the Chrome icon on your desktop or find it in your taskbar. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. This is known as the menu button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu filled with options. From the drop-down menu, click on History, and then click on History again in the submenu that appears. This action will take you to a new tab where all your browsing history is displayed. Now, you will see a list of all the websites you've visited. To delete specific links, you need to check the boxes next to each link you want to remove. Simply hover over each entry and click on the checkbox that appears on the left side. Once you have selected all the links you wish to delete, look for the Delete button at the top right of the page. Click on it, and a confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure about deleting these items. To finalize this process, simply confirm your choice by clicking Remove in the confirmation dialog. And just like that, those unwanted links are gone from your history. This process is not only straightforward but also essential for maintaining your privacy and keeping your browsing experience clean. Whether you're removing links from a recent shopping spree or clearing out old research sites, these steps make it easy. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!